Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Hotline Bree and today we're going to be doing a living room slash kitchen tour. So basically this is kind of like a follow-up to my previous video, which is my Pinterest inspired room tour. I very much enjoy my living room a lot more than the room, just because in here it's kind of like a chill space and it always gets messy like in 30 minutes. Unlike my living room, it's like where I just chill out to watch TV and like, you know, make food or whatnot. We are going to go ahead and get started, and then before we do actually, make sure that you guys go watch my previous room tour video. I will have a link to that down below, as well as a link up here on this corner or this corner, so you guys can go check that one out. And yeah, so anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started and hopefully you guys enjoy. So starting off on this corner, we have our big lounge couch, and then right on top of that we have our marriage picture frame, and we got the picture frame from Target, and it just looks super cute and I absolutely love it because it's white. And then right next to that we have our shelf, and it's all from the thrift store except for the green plant that is from IKEA, but I absolutely love this little top corner. It's just super cute and it's like literally like, yes, it's life and it's so relatable, so absolutely love this corner. And then for my couches, those I actually got third hand off of somebody else, and they're super cute. And then, so for the pillows themselves, I actually got them from the thrift store as well, except for the white back ones. Those I DIY'd on my own with some extra fabric that I had lying around. So now moving on to this corner. So basically the blanket I got from the thrift store, and I got it for probably like $5. And then the plant itself I got from Ashley Furniture Store, and I definitely recommend to get plants from IKEA because they're super cheap. And then right on top of that we just have this really cute Buddha figure. For my coffee table that I DIY'd white, and then I just have some concrete candles on top with a concrete coaster, and I just think that looks super cute. And then for my TV, it's a 65-inch Roku TV, and then the TV stand, we got it from IKEA, and then hell yeah, we got our Project Scorpio limited edition Xbox, yeah. And then right next to it we have my ottoman, so I just have 2 pillows on that, and then I just have this really cute like tray with a really cute plate, and it's just super adorable, so indie-like. Quick tour of the kitchen. So this is basically what it looks like. On top of the counter I just have this like black thing with like succulents and candles on it, and then on the other side we have our Keurig, and then a Life is Beautiful sign, and then we have our stove, and then we have like a basket on top of the microwave, and then on the other side we just have these 2 plants. This was all from the thrift store as well. And then on the counter across we just have a basket with candy, our Google Home, and sink. And yeah guys, this is pretty much my living room, my living area. I never really thought that I'd enjoy living in a mobile home, but it's absolutely so cozy and I love it. It's way better than an apartment for sure, and super cheap to live in as well. Say hi! Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the living room tour. And let me know down below in the comments what area you guys like the most, or like where should I improve on. And also make sure that you guys are following my Instagram because it's really popping right now. I'm gonna be uploading a new picture probably today, so y'all can, you know, catch up on that. I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys go now because literally like my head right now is like on a whole nother level. Like I just have so many thoughts that are coming through and I can't express it. I am so sorry. But yeah, anyways, I love you guys so much. You are all my beautiful people, and I thank you for your support. And make sure that you guys share this video with your friends if you have any. I mean, I like making new friends. Yeah, anyways, I love you guys. Bye.